How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Please tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Sahib Al-Ghamdi. I am from Tehran. I graduated from GIC, which stands for Jubail Industrial College, 1 year ago, with a bachelor degree. My specialization is in engineering chemistry. I like swimming very much, and I swim very well, and also I like helping people.
So you like swimming?
Yes.
Can you tell me how many times you swim in a week?
Actually, twice a week.
Okay. What motivates you?
There are many things motivate me. One of them, high salary, and good environment, and the team.
Good. What is your definition of success?
My definition of success is passing hard times and challenges with a life. That's simply about my definition.
So, Mr. Fan, where would you like your career about 5 years?
Well, if you accept me, I would like to be a supervisor in the future.
So, do you prefer to work alone or as a part of the team?
Actually, it depends. If I have a good team, I will be happy to share them. But if the team is useless or waste time, I will be happy to work
Okay.
and achieve my
Very good. So, how good are you at motivating this?
very well. I motivate people very well. If I have a high position, I will motivate people by giving them high salary.
So, Mr. Bad, you know, many people like to work and comfortable with less.
That's right.
So, what about you? Do you work? Can you work under pressure?
For me, it doesn't matter if I work under pressure or I work in a comfortable place. It doesn't matter for me. I work in any environment.
So, how do you feel about overworking?
No problems at all. I can work overtime and for many hours. I will be happy to serve the company.
So, you know, we have many branches in offer the work.
That's right.
So if we need to you work in a place far away from here, do you accept?
Yes, I will be happy to accept that, and doesn't matter for me. If you want me to go overseas, I will go. I will be happy to serve the company. As I said.
So can you tell me what your why you want to work in this country?
Because your company is one of the biggest companies in the world and has a popularity.
So, what's the problem you enjoy to solve?
Actually, I enjoy solving problems and helping people, and most time I enjoy is problems which need thinking, or which need thinking, or problems which are complex so much.
Okay.
I will happy to solve it.
So, do you want to complete your education?
If I have a chance, I will be happy to complete it soon, because I aim to prepare for the master's degree.
Okay. Do you have management ability?
Of course, I have a management ability,
So can you tell me why that?
because I can manage people very well by directing them or giving advices or dividing them. I can help them and management very well.
So thank you. This is my question. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have several questions. What first? How many days shall I work if you accept me?
You work about 5 days in a week.
5 days and hours. Okay, another question is how many hours shall I work in a day?
The 7 to
And it's 7 to 8 hours. Will I have a break 2 breaks or 1 break?
It's one break in 12.
And what about the medical care? And my family will be involved.
Your father will include it and your son.
What about my parents? Will be also? The last question is about my salary. If you accept me, what will be my minimum salary?
The 15,000.
That's fine. That's fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.